Say batter up. Oh, whoa, all right, get it again. Say batter up. 2 hands on the bat. Woo! No, Brayden, you don't hit this. You hit the ball. Okay, say excuse me. 2 hands on the bat. Hold it. 2 hands on the bat.
Let him go. He'll figure it out. He's 2.
Woo! Batter up.
Whoa!
There you go. Fix it. It was stuck on your shoe. That's right. Put the ball. Say batter up. Brayden, hit the ball. Just the ball. Use 2 hands. Watch out for the couch. Yeah, see, hold on. Here. Uh-oh. All right, you fixed it. Fix the bat. Here, fix the bat. Look. Okay. Batter up. Batter up. He was hitting just the ball.